Canceling your Xfinity Internet service can now be easily done through the Xfinity app, eliminating the need for phone calls in most situations. Xfinity has integrated cancellation capabilities into its mobile app, available on iOS and Android, and website using AI-powered support. This offers a streamlined cancellation process that can often be completed instantly. To cancel, you'll need an active Xfinity account and should be logged in. If there are unresolved balances or other issues, the app may redirect you to live chat or phone support. This app-based cancellation accounts for a large majority of total internet service cancellations at Xfinity. You can cancel your Xfinity Internet plan without calling by utilizing the Xfinity app, which provides AI-assisted support and instant cancellation options for select plans. To cancel your Xfinity Internet service, start by downloading or updating the Xfinity app. Then log in using your credentials like username, password, or Xfinity ID. Navigate to your account section, then select Plan and Billing and choose Manage Services. Select your internet plan from the list and choose the option to cancel service. You'll be asked to provide a reason for canceling. Carefully review any potential early termination fees, refund details, and equipment return instructions. For modem or router rentals, use the prepaid labels provided in the app to return equipment and avoid additional fees. Confirm your cancellation to complete the process and ensure you receive an email confirmation with the service end date. Remember that cancellations must follow the terms of service, with no refunds typically issued for partial months unless specified. Also, note that glitches can occur during peak periods. For the most current information, always check the Xfinity app or website directly, as processes may change.